Hello, I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen, where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. Well, we've been quite busy, and I'm showing you the top of the tree. We've got an issue. We've got the star on top, but unfortunately we got a light issue going on. So ho ho ho, we're not quite finished with this one, but as you can see, we're getting closer and closer so that you can take a look at what we've done already. And we're trying to bring out those golds and reds, and we just want this tree to be absolutely beautiful. So when we're finished, this is day one, and we've got 2 more to go. So see you soon. Well, this is day 2, and I'm calling in the reinforcements. And you can see I've got 3 little ones, and so when we get inside, we are going to do some serious Christmas decorating. We've got 2 trees to do today. So I'll take you with me. Okay guys, this is day 2, and we're working, and as you can see, the top of that tree is finally lit. Woohoo! We got the top of the tree. And let's see if I can stand still and get you there so you can see it. There it is. Yay! We had lots of helpers, and we have just been working our little selves to death today. The elves have been busy. So, choo-choo! 1 down in here, and we finished the 2 that's on the inside. Yay! So, see you later.
And the vets who love them. That's getting crazy. Vetsgiving starts Friday at 9 on Nat Geo Wild.
Today in the kitchen, we are going to be creating a Christmas lantern, and it's going to coordinate with our peppermint candy theme. So if you're interested, stay tuned. finishing up our trees. It was day 2 of tree decoration. So you have had a chance to look at what I've been doing. I had my grandkids with me, which really was a lot of fun. And it's so funny because they have lots of decorating practice and skill. So they were very, very helpful today in getting the church trees set up, getting them decorated, and we just had a great morning, bright and early. So there we are. We are ready to go. I hope you enjoy your holiday and all the festivities along the way. So I'll see you on Friday with more to come. Enjoy. This lantern, it turned out absolutely beautiful. I hope that your Thanksgiving is wonderful and that you spend it with family and friends. Have a great and wonderful weekend. See you soon.